Being a YouTuber comes with a lot of creative freedom, but let's be honest, it also comes with a ton of tedious tasks. After filming and editing, there's still SEO-friendly descriptions to write, thumbnails to design, and shorts to create. It can feel overwhelming. That's where Taja AI steps in to make your life easier. In this video, we're diving into Taja AI to see how it can streamline your workflow, save you hours, and enhance your online presence. Let's dive in. First off, what is Taja AI? Taja AI is an all-in-one tool designed to simplify content creation and help YouTubers maximize their reach. It automates many time-consuming tasks like creating social media posts from your videos, generating SEO-optimized descriptions and tags, breaking down your video into chapters, and even producing thumbnails and shorts. Whether you're just starting your YouTube journey or managing an established channel, Taja AI makes it easier to focus on your creativity while the tool handles the behind-the-scenes work. With its ability to integrate directly with YouTube, Taja AI removes the hassle of switching between multiple platforms, letting you manage your workflow in one place. Let's take a look at some of the key features. Seamless video uploads. Taja AI makes it simple to upload videos for processing, whether your video is stored locally in the cloud, Google Drive, or Dropbox, or as an unlisted YouTube link. Taja AI can handle it. This flexibility ensures that no matter where your content lives, it's easy to integrate into the platform. SEO optimization. One of Taja AI's standout features is its ability to analyze your video and generate an SEO-optimized title, description, tags, and hashtags. These elements are designed to improve your video's visibility on YouTube and other search engines. It even scores each tag and suggests the most effective ones, so you can make data-driven decisions about what to include. Automated chapters. Taja AI automatically breaks down your video into chapters, complete with timestamps and titles. This feature improves the viewer experience and makes your content more accessible, all while boosting your search engine rankings. Thumbnail generation. Taja AI helps you nail this critical element by generating AI-powered thumbnails that incorporate text, themes, and even faces from your video. These thumbnails are designed to be eye-catching and professional looking, giving you a strong starting point to attract viewers. While you might need to tweak them to match your branding or style, it's a huge time saver for creators who want to stand out and get those clicks. Shorts and clip creation. Taja AI makes it easy to stay on top of this trend by automatically generating short video clips from your content. These ready-to-use clips are perfect for repurposing on different platforms, which helps you to engage your audience wherever they are. Each clip is even scored based on its potential performance, giving you insight on what might work best. Plus, you can adjust text, trim sections, or add effects to make sure every clip fits your style and message. Transcript and captions. The platform provides a full transcript of your video and generates captions automatically. This not only enhances accessibility, but also allows you to repurpose content for blogs or other written formats. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the different plan options. What you'll want to do to make sure you're getting the best price possible is click that link in the description below and it will bring you to this page. If you just scroll down, you will see the different options. So here you can see the starter plan is $49.99 per month. And with this plan, you get YouTube long form optimization, shorts generation, content scheduling, multi-platform sharing, and content idea generation. If you want to pay yearly, you can go ahead and save about 17%, and that comes out to $490 a year. Next is the semi-pro. This plan starts at $79.99 per month, or if you want to pay yearly, it's $790 a year, which saves you about 17%. With this, you get YouTube long form optimization, 12 videos, shorts generation unlimited, content scheduling, multi-platform sharing, content idea generation. Lastly is the pro plan, and this is $109.99 per month, but if you pay yearly, you can save 17%, and you get YouTube long form optimization unlimited, you get shorts generation unlimited, team collaboration, content scheduling, multi-platform sharing, and content idea generation. And with our exclusive link, you can actually save 50% on the first month, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So you'll want to select the plan that you would like, so we'll go ahead and do the pro plan and click become member. From here, what you will want to do is type in startup wise 50. You will save 50% on the first month. You definitely don't want to miss out on this, so make sure you are using our discount code. All you have to do next is put in your payment method and go ahead and click subscribe. Now that you know how to sign up and you know how to get the discount code, let's go over some of the pros and cons to make sure it's a good fit for you. Starting off with the pros. Time-saving automation. Taja AI automates time-consuming tasks like SEO optimization, thumbnail creation, and shorts generation, saving hours of manual work. User-friendly interface. The platform is easy to navigate even for beginners with clear instructions and intuitive tools. Comprehensive SEO tools. It helps you craft titles, descriptions, tags, and hashtags. Optimized for visibility, increasing your chances of ranking higher on YouTube. Content repurposing is another pro. By generating shorts and social media posts, Taja AI helps you maximize the reach of your content across multiple platforms. Another pro is the flexibility in uploads. You can use your local files, cloud storage, or unlisted YouTube links, which ensures a seamless integration with your existing workflow. Now let's take a look at some of the cons. Thumbnail results may vary. While the AI generated thumbnails are helpful, they might require additional tweaking to match your style or branding. Another con is the text placement issues. Some users have reported that captioned or text overlays on shorts may need manual adjustments to avoid covering important visuals. Limited customization. While Taja AI provides a great starting point, you may need to refine some of the generated content to fit your exact preferences. Now, who should use Taja AI? Taja AI is perfect for YouTubers of all levels who want to save time and streamline their workflow. It's especially helpful for creators who struggle with SEO optimization or creating engaging videos, titles, tags, and descriptions, and who want to expand their reach by creating shorts and social media posts effortlessly, as well as need help designing professional thumbnails or improving their content's accessibility with captions and transcripts. If you're tired of spending hours on post-production tasks, Taja AI can help you reclaim that time and focus on what truly matters, creating amazing content. If you're ready to get started, don't forget to use our exclusive link in the description and use the code StartupWise50 to get 50% off your first month. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for being here, and I will catch you in the next video.